Thinking about where to put your savings? Are you tired of low interest rates that don't even keep up with inflation? You've probably heard of Patriot Bank, but with so many options out there, how do you know if their savings accounts are the right choice for you? Well, that's what we're here to figure out. Today, we're diving deep into Patriot Bank savings accounts, comparing their features, and giving you a clear-cut rating. First up, let's talk about the standard savings account. This is your basic, no-frills option. It's perfect if you're just starting out, with a low minimum opening deposit. You'll earn some interest, but don't expect a high-yield return. The real perk here is simplicity and accessibility. It's great for building that emergency fund without any complicated requirements. Next, we have the Star Savings account. This one is for those who are a little more serious about their savings. It offers a tiered interest rate structure, meaning the more you save, the more you earn. The catch? You typically need to have a linked Star banking checking account with a certain minimum balance to get the best rates. So, if you're looking to consolidate your banking and maximize your returns, this could be a fantastic option. Now, let's look at the money market deposit account. Think of this as a hybrid. It gives you the high-yield interest of a savings account, but with some of the flexibility of a checking account, like check writing capabilities. Patriot Bank's money market account is known for its highly competitive interest rates, but it often has a higher minimum balance requirement to get those top-tier APYs. It's a great fit for someone with a larger chunk of cash they want to grow while still keeping it somewhat accessible. So, how do they all stack up? For the beginner saver, the standard savings account gets a solid 3 out of 5 stars. It's simple, reliable, and a great starting point. For the dedicated saver who wants to build a long-term relationship with the bank, the Star Savings account earns a 4 out of 5. The tiered rates and potential for higher earnings make it a winner if you meet the requirements. And finally, for the advanced saver with a significant balance, the money market deposit account gets a 5 out of 5 stars. The high interest rates combined with flexible access make it the best of the bunch for serious wealth growth. Remember, the best account for you depends entirely on your financial goals and how much you have to save. Always check the current rates and any associated fees to make the most informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.